it is up to their government. So you should put pressure, or you should talk to the Myanmar government, not to Bangladesh. It is not the Bangladesh people's responsibility, right?
These are people in a desperate humanitarian situation, and surely there are basic principles, human principles, moral principles that compel you to help them.
Bangladesh is already an overpopulated country. We cannot bear this burden. You should realize that. But now things are okay. Things are improving. So no refugees coming.
But in the last 2 months, we've seen the pictures ourselves, Bangladeshi guards physically turning people back, returning them to danger.
Listen, Bangladeshi guards, they behave humanitarianly. They provided food for them, medicine for them, they provided money, and they just allowed them to return to their own home.
Not allow, they forced them to return home.
No, it is not true. They didn't force them. Rather, they pursued them that you should go back to your own country. And they went back.
Prime Minister, you know full well that they are being persecuted in their own country. They tried to run away and they refused entry to your country.
Well, why we should allow to enter our country? We just pursued them and we provided them everything what they needed. Why you asking me this question? You should ask this question to the Myanmar government. It is not our responsibility, it is their responsibility.
And have you ever expressed concern to the government of Myanmar about how the Rohingya are treated in Rakhine province?
Of course we do.
And what do they say?
Well, they are creating congenial atmosphere, they are providing all the assistance, everything.
Do you actually believe that?
Yes, why not?
So you think the Rohingya are treated fairly in Rakhine province?
I told you that it is their citizen, so it is up to them.